Hey everyone, it's Tina Marie. Welcome back to my channel. So today I have teamed up with Hot Braids to do an install on human crochet braids. Like I haven't had that before. So right now I am just sectioning off my leave out, and then I'm also doing an anchor braid right here. So y'all, I am not the best braider, and that's the beautiful thing about crochet braids. Your hair does not have to be perfect underneath whatsoever. This braid pattern that I did, I don't know what I was doing, but it doesn't matter because you can have your hair in many different ways underneath, especially when you're doing curly hair. So I'm going to be showing you a flip over method where you could do a middle part or a side part on each side. Y'all, this big braid that I did, I don't know why I did it. I could have literally did 2 braids and that was it. But I don't know what I was trying to do. So I am just taking the end of my hair and just crocheting it into the rest of my braids. And then you can either sew it down with like string or something like that, just to make sure it stays in place. This is everything that was sent to me with it. I love the clips, the combs, brushes. This is a bag that I could put all my stuff in. And this is the hair, y'all. The texture of this hair is just crazy. It's so thick. This is just one bundle. I'm really excited about. I've never had crochet braids with the thin loop that you put in. So let me show you. Okay, so I just took one piece out because I wanted to show y'all. And so this at the top, this is what's going to be crocheted through, because y'all know how hard it is sometimes when the hair is thick at the top and you're trying to crochet it. So let me do one right now. I'm so excited. But y'all, this is the leave out, so we're gonna blend this in with this later, but let's see. So I just did this as I would do any other crochet. Just put it through the braid, attach it, and pull it through that loop, and that's it. Okay, y'all, so I actually took a nap after I put this in, but this is what it's looking like so far. It looks like a lot, but I still have a lot of hair left, and I still got to put hair right here on this braid, and then we'll be done. We will define the curls and everything, but do y'all just see how natural this hair looks? It's so lightweight. The texture is amazing. So I wanted to show y'all up close and personal how to put this hair in and how easy it is. This is what the hair looks like. You see the string? I'm just taking my crochet needle, putting it through there, taking this, attaching it to the loop, pull it through. I'm just doing it once. You could do it twice if you like, but that's it. And you see how it's not bulky right here? You know, usually when you do crochet braids, the hair is the same width as the rest of the hair. This is just so easy. You see that? So another amazing thing is not only do they have the natural texture, they have, if you wanted to blend it with your relaxed hair or if you're transitioning, they have all of that. They have the different curly textures that you can choose from. So if you're 3C, 4A, 4C, they have the different textures that you can choose from. So I'm about to start defining the curls, so I'm just wetting my hair with some water, and I want y'all to see the length of this hair. Y'all, look at these curls already. Already, the only thing I put on it is this. But I'm actually about to put some of this on here. I really love this gel, but this alone, look how good it looks. Y'all, look at these curls. Look at this. So this is the hair straight out the package. As soon as you put in your hair, the texture is nice, and you can wear it like this, you know, if you want like the big Afro look, which is nice because the hair is so soft. But look at these curls. I'm in love. It looks so good. Okay, so I'm gonna do the rest of my hair, and then I'm gonna show you how I blend my hair with this hair. So how I'm going to define my hair with this hair, I did have my hair straightened, so it looks a little straightened right now, and I did cut my hair, y'all. Do one side at a time. So I'm gonna take a little bit of this foam wrap that I've been using and just put it on my hair. But I'm raking it through my hair, but also raking it through the crochet hair as well. And then I like to just take a brush and just comb both of them together gently. So you see, look at that. I'm just putting that all over my hair. And if you want to take it an extra step further, you could take some of your hair and some of the crochet hair and just like twirl it around your finger so that they can be curled together. And then like once your hair dries and everything, you can separate it. Oh, y'all, look at my cute little curl. I'm really loving how natural this looks. When I put my hair back, you can't even tell because it blends so seamlessly. So I do just want to give you all some tips about this hair. So at the beginning of the video, you seen when I was stretching the hair, that's how far it could stretch out. So I wanted my curls to be a little bit stretched out. So I'm just taking my blow dryer and doing that. But y'all, this is a full head of hair and I didn't even use the full bundle. So one bundle will do it for you. Depending on how much hair that you use will determine how full your hair is. And let me know what y'all think, and make sure to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. And I will see you all on the next video.